Alright, what's next? Small box. Let's see what we got. Ooh, good parts. I like good parts. There we go. Alright, this is a Springer nut, crown nut for a 45, 7/8 thread. It's real tall. Big twins are 1-inch thread and they're only about this tall, about 1 finger shorter. So this goes on your Springer front end, tightens down, your handlebar goes on top, and the nut on top. So your bearings go under here. There's a race that goes against this. It self-aligns. That's why it's this shape here. So there you go. That's a nice one. Good part. I like those. That's another distributor. Let's see. Here is the distributor we had earlier. So got another one down there like that. You can see better. This one's a complete distributor. That one over there was not complete. So this is got everything on it. It's got the military wire on it with the stainless around the outside for suppression. Dang, we can see better. So this has the whole wire on it. The other one did not. Has the early points. You can see how the points are 2-piece. Rubs around the center post here, which has a phenolic material in there. So this one here is broken. See how the pin there doesn't have any insulating material on it. So that one's no good. Genuine Delco Remy just condenser in there. Good piece. Points are probably still usable. Got a good gear on it. Pin's still good. I like it. This has a little more corrosion on it. So this one here doesn't have much corrosion on it. But this has a broken pin on it, so yeah. So after I put a new pin on that one, maybe I'll put it on this one, or just paint this silver. It's supposed to be CAD plated. There it goes. Yep, got the original wire in there still. Once again, the got a little rust on the lobe there, which is not good. Got some wear on it, not too heavy, but it's in there. So you can clean it up with some real fine. First you go with some scrub pad, clean up with that. Then you go in there with some 2000, 3000 grit sandpaper, just lightly run across, take any burrs off, don't try to take any metal off, and then call it done. It will affect the timing if you start rounding those edges off, so which is what you're going to do with the sandpaper. So you got to be careful. Okay, this one does not have the pin on it, or does it have the pin in there? No, this does not have the wire in there. This can fall all the way through. There's no wire in here. So this one over here had the wire on it. So this is the wire right here. Whoop, sliding over. So this is the wire here. Keeps the wire from falling out of the hole. You push it through this housing and it stops it from going all the way out. Because this here catches on the edge of the hole and it won't go out. So it goes like this. See the wire right there, and boom, see it can't come out. It stops. See how it hits on it? Can't come out. Even though there's no insulation on this thing, it won't come out. This one here will pull out, so it needs to have that put into there. So that's missing off of this one. Everything else looks pretty good on it. Obviously it's got a lot of corrosion on everything, which is not the best, but it's not bent or broken. The gear is good. It's got the solid roll pin in here, which is a good one. It's nice and free. Looks good. So this is the retaining clips that go underneath. So this goes underneath like this, and these holes right here on the side where this goes in to cover top piece, and those catches right here in this groove right in here like this, and that's what retains it. And also puts drag on it so the advance retard it will stay where it's supposed to be. At least that's how it's supposed to be. Then you got a stupid aftermarket chrome lid on here, which is the worst thing about it. The clip goes up over top and catches on it and holds it down. This one has the 2 screws. These are number 12 thread, kind of oddball. So they go right in here, like this. They're on the inside. That's why they take it apart to get it off. So they go on the inside. Looks like we've got 1, 2. Oh, we got 2 lock washers too. Okay, this is the band that goes around it. That's broken. These are spring steel, and when they get rusty, they will break. And this one's broken. So the aftermarket one does not look anything like this, so it's kind of crappy looking. I have yet to try putting a new band on it. You know, buy a reproduction one of these and keep the old piece and put a new band on. I haven't tried that yet. It might work, it might not work, I don't know. This is going to be riveted in on the one side, so you got to somehow pull a pin out and re-rivet it. Like I said, to make it look right, that's kind of what you're going to have to do, but it's definitely going to be hard to do. On this one. So this goes here on the outside of this like this, wraps around, pinches on it like that, and there's a little bracket that goes in here, and that's your advanced retard movement right here. You turn the twist grip up on your handlebar, and then you get the movement right here, you're moving it. And the stop is on the underneath it's a bracket that comes off under the lifter block, so that's where it goes. Like I said, these have been becoming real common now. These have been breaking, so got enough years of sitting on them, they don't work no more. Obviously this one broke when they took it off, because you can see where it's rusted right there, and as soon as they hit it, it snapped that sucker off. I've broken a couple too. It doesn't take much effort. So there you go. That's another distributor. So these ones are fitting your 1937 through 46. Everything. 45s, trikes, ULs, knuckleheads, everything. So there you go. That's how they go. And the later ones are a little bit different, but similar. So, alright, there you go. So I got a complete unit over here, and I got parts for another one to make another one if need be. So that's how that is supposed to be. So, like I said, this is a pretty nice unit. So I'm happy with that. Alright.